pop this on and you just go.
And it gets,
Hey guys, it's Gabs
and Gina back with another video. And if you're new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
If you're returning,
you know the vibes. Okay guys, so today we're doing a step-by-step wig install showing all the details.
This video is sponsored by MyFirstWig. Shout out to them for sending us these wigs.
MyFirstWig is literally the perfect wig for like your first wig because y'all,
when I tell you we didn't bleach it,
we didn't plug it. Come on, are you right?
Okay, there is makeup in it, but just get into
I haven't even put makeup in it yet, and it's blending.
Yeah.
And
I plugged mine a little bit.
I haven't plugged.
A lot of people struggle with the customization aspect, but let me tell you,
you don't need to.
What? Nah.
Like, so yeah, y'all will see. We're just gonna take you through again. This is ready to wear. It's already like, even you don't have to put makeup, nothing, y'all. Like, it looks so good. So yeah, we're just gonna go through it, do the step-by-step, and show y'all everything.
Yeah, from the install to the baby hair, styling, all that.
Yeah, so stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so we just put it on. As you can see, like, what?
Yeah, let's get into it.
The lace is blended. I didn't pluck mine, so I'm gonna pluck as I do my baby hair because I feel like that works best for me.
Yeah, everything is personalization. This is what it's giving. I plucked it just a little bit. I didn't really have to do much. It was like a 10-minute. Yeah, it's giving very spacious at the part. It's hard to come by. My hair, like, this is supposed to be like layered. I'm not seeing the layer, but it's giving it just a natural, like, vibe. So the box, very cute box.
The wig came inside this zip-up pouch,
and it came with this glue that I won't be using today.
Yes, but it's useful.
This is what the glue is looking like. It says extreme hold invisible waterproof. Wig cap, 2 clips, and a rat tail comb.
It's definitely a natural density, which is good because when it comes to like straightening and stuff, there's not a lot of hair to deal with.
Very much beginner friendly.
The lace is super, I don't know what kind of lace
it is. The melt is gonna give,
but I feel like they always had this lace. Like my first wig's lace never failed. Y'all need to tap in.
Yeah, let's get into it. So I'm just gonna find like where I want to put the wig. Like, my wig cap is here, so like right here, I'm trying to like put it in front of the wig cap. Yes,
the ball cap method is really good.
Yeah,
but it's super hard.
It's ripping out my hair. Yeah, and it just makes the install harder for me. So
you just put it in front, and if the lace is good like this one, you should be fine. Like, you can't.
But the problem with like very see-through laces, like you be seeing the
wig cap,
this part. Yeah, so it's like that's why I be putting it in front, and like if it's showing, my baby hairs would cover it.
I use Got2b. You want to do a super thin layer. You could either do it in sections or one at a time, or you do want to wipe your forehead with alcohol before you start.
Unfortunately, I'm a pro.
Yeah, like this, we've been doing this for a very long time, so but do that.
Yeah, so I'm just putting a wide. Not wide, but
yeah, wide though, because you have to like put it over the wig cap, so it could glue over that as well. The good thing about doing it in sections is like you could kind of control the lay. It just takes longer, but since this wig does fit pretty well, I don't mind doing it all at the same time because it fits my head. Press the glue in with the comb they gave us. It's so cute. That's
so cute and so mine.
Yeah. Then you could go in with the freeze spray over it.
That's a lot of freeze spray. I did realize that me putting freeze spray on top of it does make for a messier install.
You never noticed that. Again, when you're more skilled, you don't run into these nevertheless. So yeah.
Nevertheless.
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 Yeah, nevertheless.
Nevertheless.
No! Sorry.
I like to tie it with an elastic band. This just seals in the moisture. It just really attaches the wig to your cranium and just allows for a seamless install.
I like to tie mine down. Every time I do a section, I tie it down to move on. So I'm just gonna go in and cut this off.
Oh, so you cut it before, or is it dry? Is it dry?
I don't want it to dry.
Oh, you cut it before it's dry. The wig is pretty straight, so I'm just figuring out how I'm gonna style it.
I get lost in the sauce and glue the whole lace to my head, then I struggle after. So
One thing they do need is to teach the bleaching technique because their bleaching is so good.
I like to leave lace because I feel like I get a longer wear out of a wig when I leave. I don't cut it straight to the bone.
It's that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit.
This is how it's looking. It's pretty natural. It's pretty plucked. To like separate the baby hairs from the hair and then pluck the hair to give it a more natural look, but you literally don't need to. So if you're scared to pluck and things like that, like this would be fine, but I feel like as soon as you swoop the baby hairs right in, it's just gonna look thick again. So that's what I'm trying to avoid.
I'm stunner till I fuck it, I just run it up before I go.
Oh my gosh, maturing is realizing a middle baby hair is not
It's not
like
vibe.
the way I can't do middle baby hairs now because it just, again, the hot comb is for training the hair. Since it's not coming out of your scalp, it doesn't move freely, so you need heat
To mold it.
Blood and murder, no second chances. It's fun. Just do what you wanna do, how you wanna spin, what you wanna be, who you wanna be.
Still like bounce. Up, down, up, down, up, down.
So yeah, this is it, straight in versus curve.
Wanna spin, what you wanna be, who you wanna be. I'm stunner till I get.
With hair, it's not just swoop, you read, it's like science. I like to curl my baby hairs because that just really helps. Thank you to Erica Tay. So I curl them upwards, and this is the one. So now that I got a little curl, then I cut it. Because if you cut it before you curl it, then you don't get much hair to curl. So now I have this. So you see how this easily look like it's easily lays.
So I'm moving to the other side. I have just done one.
Like Gabby said, you want to focus the product at the root and use the excess to swoop. You don't want to put it all over.
I didn't say that.
Oh,
No, I'm joking.
I was like, I thought that's what you were hinting at.
So I go on Snap to see if I like the positioning.
Yeah, it looks good.
Thank you. I do like the positioning, so I'm just gonna move on. But yeah, I just go over it multiple times just to make sure it's laid.
How you wanna spin, what you wanna be, who you wanna be. I'm stunner till I get. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you go? Feel my face, action. These days over.
This is the finished look.
As you can see, it's
Honestly,
giving.
it's giving what it's supposed to give.
Is
like,
it moving? Okay, good.
It's so soft.
Yes,
like,
y'all, like
she's so pretty. Like
she on my.
yeah.
Again, for me, it's a little bit longer than a bob. So if you do want like a true bob, and it's asymmetrical. So if you want a true bob, I would say go for the 12-inch as opposed to the 14.
For me, yeah, like I think this is 20 inches. It's supposed to be layered. I see how it could be, but it's not like dramatic layers. I just feel like it gives a very natural, like silk press, you got your hair done type vibe. So yeah, that's what I was going for. Yeah, the lace was super thin, super great.
Yeah,
I loved it.
Now, if you just want easy, effortless, like just pre-done, like you want, when I did not pluck a lot. I had to go in and pluck right here so it didn't give closure.
But you could definitely, we're just used to it, so we know what we want it to look like.
Exactly.
So for you definitely could just pop this on, glue it, and just like
or even glueless and just do your little baby hairs and call it a day.
Just pop this on and you just go.
And it gets,
and it gets. Yeah. Tapping with My First Wig.
Yes, ma'am.
Discount codes, links to the wigs will be in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
You already know the vibes.
Period.